So in this video, we're going to show how to do a chart and calculate percentages. In this case, we are using the quantities of how we're pulverizing our site. Our site is the blue area, which is 275,000 square feet. The green area is day one, 66,625 square feet. So we're going to track this daily. Move it out the way. So you start off on Excel. We're going to type in day one, and we're going to do day. You can also type day two, or you can click on the first cell, click on this little black dot here, and drag it down. So we'll do 6 days for now. And we're going to type in, so this is the day, this is the quantity, and this will be the percentage. Cool. Okay, so, and up here, I'm going to add one more line. So to add a line, let's say you want to add one more line, you click on the one, right click, insert, it adds another line up here. So we're going to put total square feet of lot. We're going to put it right here, which was 275,648. All right, so day one, we're going to type it up. We did 66,625. So to calculate the percentage, we do equals this number divided by the total number equals that 24%. Okay, so on day two, we're going to set up the formula. All right, so we're going to say equals this value divided by this one. So it's already set up. As you can see, it's 0%, right? So if today we were to go and put 74, 325, oh, I went one extra number. So we did 27% that day, right? So we're going to delete it for now because we don't know what our quantities are. Here's a quick way to do this too. So you could go one by one and set up the formula, or click on this one and drag it down, right? And it sets it up. This is where it gets a little complicated because every time we're trying to grab this value. So if you look, if you actually click here, it gives you the formula. It's saying grab this, the blue, C5, divided by D3, right? But we don't want D3. We want D2, right? So D2, we can grab this guy and drag it up. And now it works. This one, we can do the same thing. We don't want D4. We want D2. We always want to divide it by D2, right? So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is this. I'm going to delete it. If I click here, and the formula is this divided by this, but if I always want to use D2, I click in front of D2 and I press F4, it puts little dollar signs on it. You see that? That means even if I drag it down, it's going to always grab D2. And you'll see it. D2, D2. It locks D2 on the formula. So now it's set up. So you go 74, 365, 3%, 222. Boom. It's already set up, right? So one thing that I want to just add these up. So if I click them, click the top one, take it down, and you see the formula, you see auto sum, click this, it will add it up for you. So if today we had this, actually I missed one. It's automatically going to say we're at 44%. It's already set up. Cool. So the last thing I do, I just format it. I usually just grab the whole thing. I'll make all borders. And then this is kind of our legend. I'll make that like a thicker border. And then this is our total. I'll make that a thicker border too. Cool. So now it's ready to update every day.